Your name, ma'am?
Miki Kun.
Cosplaying as?
I'm cosplaying as Ren Koha from the anime Maggie.
Personality ng character?
Actually, si Koha, hindi siya yung typical little kid eh. Although at first mukha siyang innocent, pero actually may pagka-psycho-ish yung yung dating niya. Kasi he actually likes fighting. He likes the sight of gore and blood. Wait, sorry, nahuhulag ba yung hat?
That's okay.
Kaya ganun siya. Tapos very frenetic siya when it comes to blood. As in yung nanggigigil siya pag nakakita siya ng blood. Tapos, pero intense siya actually. Pero pagdating sa mga yung mga cohorts niya, like kunyari yun sila Jinjin, ayun nakaupo doon, tsaka sila Junjun. Naman siya, protective siya towards yung mga people under him.
Parang friends, mga ganun.
Hindi, not quite friends, pero kasi yung kinukuha kasi ni Koha na retainers niya is people who are yung rejected from society. Since si Koha, rejected din siya from society, siya, kumbaga, paano to explain? Kinukuha niya yung mga taong may same experience as his. Tapos, in return, binibigyan niya ng way to redeem themselves yung mga taong tinaboy. Tapos, in return, they swear their loyalty to Koha.